welcome back to my channel. It is CoutureBabeees and I'm back again with another freaking video. Hey you guys, so today is Tuesday the 28th, and the first thing I thought about when I woke up was getting right to doing my orders. And don't mind this oil on my shirt, it's from prepping my orders. But before I get into everything, I want to thank you guys so much. I don't know if my people that's been here from the jump, do you see our subscribers number? Ooh, y'all in my hair. But if you guys have noticed the subscriber amount, like the jump we have made, you guys are showing out. You guys are supporting. I wake up every day so happy just checking my subscribers. Like, y'all are really supporting me and being there for me. Most of my orders come from my couture babes. Like, you guys support me. You guys motivate me. You guys encourage me. You guys say that I encourage y'all. Y'all encouraging me. Like, y'all give me the motivation to keep going and to keep grinding and to keep just being me and being a great person to my business, because what I put into my business is what I hope you guys receive, the love, the care, and the time that I put into my business. So with that being said, I love you guys so much and I thank you guys for rocking with me. And comment down below what other video you guys want to see for episode, oh gosh, I don't know what episode this will be, but let me know in the comments what you guys want to see for the next episode. I have 2 new products that I added to my site, which is my eyelash serum. Like if you've had eyelash extensions like me, when they come off, I still have my eyelashes, and I decided to make a serum. My 24 karat face oil. Let me try and shake it so you guys can see the 24 karat in it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. But you guys, this is my top seller. I'm currently sold out, but by the time this video gets uploaded, I should be back in stock. But yes, this is our 24 karat oil. This is for acne, scars, anti-aging, and if you just want your skin to be glowy. Like, you don't have to have anything wrong with your skin to use this. It can be just for a moisturizer or to have your skin glowing. You guys always leave comments in my videos like, your skin is so glowy, and I was like, let me put them on. Like, it's summer, we need to be looking good, glowing, period. Okay, you guys, so I took you guys' advice, like you guys told me in my how to ship orders video. You guys told me to just write the customer's name on the packaging instead of me ripping off tissue and doing all the extra stuff basically. So I took you guys' advice. So that's the first package. The next one, I'm just gonna go through with you guys, package these orders, and you guys can just watch me throughout this whole process. So I'm about to print out all of my labels. I'm right here. Let me turn it on. And I put them all in a bag, y'all, because it'd be too much to carry downstairs, honestly. So put them in a bag. Boom. Y'all be supporting me. I love y'all so much. So let's print out these labels, y'all, and let's work. All right, y'all, so everything has a label on. I just turned them over so you guys can't see people's address. So the last thing I need to do is put the fragile labels on all of them, because some of these have the 24K oil in them, and some of them have lip glosses and eyebrow serums. So I'm going to put the fragile labels on them, and then we can ship them to the post office. Okay, you guys, so right here I just wanted to show you guys me cleaning up the area. Of course, after you get done shipping orders, it's a mess. Everything's everywhere. I mean it. Like, look at this. So I'm just going right in and just cleaning up and just organizing everything a little bit better and just showing you guys as I do it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.